Hello and welcome to this video about procrastination. Procrastination is something that we all experience from time to time, but it can be a real problem when it becomes a habit. In this video, we'll explore what procrastination is, why we do it, and most importantly, how we can overcome it. What is procrastination? Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks that need to be done. It's when we choose to do something else instead of the task that we know we should be doing. This can be anything from checking social media, watching TV, or just daydreaming. Why do we procrastinate? There are many reasons why we procrastinate. One of the main reasons is that we find the task too daunting or overwhelming. We might feel like we don't have enough time, resources, or skills to complete the task successfully. Another reason is that we might not enjoy the task, and we find it boring or unfulfilling. The consequences of procrastination. Procrastination can have serious consequences. It can lead to increased stress and anxiety, as we worry about the task that we should be doing. It can also lead to missed deadlines, which can have a negative impact on our work or personal life. Additionally, it can also affect our self-esteem and confidence, as we feel like we're not achieving our goals or fulfilling our responsibilities. How to overcome procrastination. Now that we've talked about what procrastination is and why we do it, let's talk about how we can overcome it. Break the task into smaller steps. When we feel overwhelmed by a task, it can be helpful to break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the task feel less daunting and more achievable. Create a schedule. Creating a schedule can help us stay on track and manage our time more effectively. It's important to set realistic goals and allocate enough time for each task. Remove distractions. It's important to remove any distractions that might be preventing us from completing the task. This could be anything from turning off our phone to finding a quiet place to work. Get started. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. Once we start working on the task, we often find that it's not as difficult as we thought it would be. In conclusion, procrastination can be a real problem if it becomes a habit. However, with a little bit of effort and self-discipline, we can overcome it. By breaking tasks into smaller steps, creating a schedule, removing distractions, and getting started, we can develop better habits and achieve our goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.